Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you my very small GBC, which stands for Great Ball Contraption. So I have some metallic balls over here. Let me just put them out. See, I just made a storage for them. And here's the actual mechanism. So I'm going to show you what it does without the balls first and then with them. So what you do is you spin this thing. These things move up and down. You've probably seen these before. There's 5 of them in total, but you can't really see 2 because of this thing. That's where you put the balls, so let me just put them in just like that. And let's spin this and see what happens. A sec. As you can see, the balls are moving forward one by one. Oh, it got stuck. Ooh. Sorry, that made a lot of sound. Anyways. So yeah, that's what that does. So yeah, I was kind of experimenting with small GBCs. Decided to make this because, you know, why not? Probably gonna take it apart pretty soon. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.